ever opened a brand new eyeshadow palette and you looked at it and you've been like, ooh, this is too much, this is not for me, I can't do this, like this is too hard? It's not the eyeshadows, it's not even necessarily you, it's your concept of time. I have the brand new Unearthly Gothic Romance blush palette and eyeshadow palette. I have not looked at the eyeshadow palette yet. I'm very excited. I did peek at the blush. In this video today, oh, there's lips as well. I don't know where they went. In this video today, I'm going to be using the new Gothic Romance collection. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about why you feel overwhelmed in using an eyeshadow palette. If you're new here, hi, my name is Miss Megan. I've been doing makeup for 15 years. 13 of them I worked for MAC. I have heard every issue in the book and I've solved every single person's problem that has ever been in front of me. So I know a thing or two about the things you guys are struggling with. If you want to experience this palette with me and learn a little bit more about time and overwhelm, please keep on watching. I haven't even looked. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, wow. Look at that baby pink. Look at these two. These are magnetic too. Look at these whites. Some are like higher in the pan. Okay, let's feel this. Is that are those creams? Do you see these ones that are like slightly higher? Or does it have a cover on it? It had a cover on it. I thought they were all whites. Oh, that's very good packaging. I thought I was gonna go, ooh, I thought I was gonna go nuts there. Oh, oh. My nail just went through one. Oh, my nail just went through another one. This is a delicious looking palette. I'm so very excited. Let's look. Oh my goodness. Should I do a pink eye? Because I feel like I don't have anything pink. Ooh. So I looked at this, but I was basically in the dark. This is beautiful. Oh my God. Blood Oath, Buried Lovers, stunning. Covenant. Did I say that right? Oh, these are amazing. These are stunningly beautiful, amazing shades. I really enjoy Unearthly. Oh, we're just gonna get right into it. Obviously, I'm gonna start off with a little bit of 24-hour eye base. So the one thing that people forget all the time is that makeup takes time, right? But everybody's time is gonna be different. And the same things that look really flawless in 45 minutes, if you rush those in 10 minutes, it's going to fail. It's not necessarily even that you're like overwhelmed because you can't do something. You're just designing a look for the wrong time frame. I actually really like this row. One little trick that I can give you guys is usually eyeshadow palettes are broken down by rows to create a look. I wouldn't say that this one works vertically, not necessarily, but it definitely works horizontally. I was sent new Refer brushes. I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan. We're gonna use one today. What do I feel like, okay, this is what's speaking to me is either this little section here or this whole row. And I believe I'm gonna go with this whole row. Let's feel these. Oh, they're nice and buttery. Okay. This is Dust of Time. I forgot I had sparkles all over my finger. When I was rubbing in that 24-hour eye base. This is a Nikki LaRose N13. I'm gonna make this my base shade. Next, I'm gonna take a Nikki LaRose N24, and I'm actually gonna pick up this shade called Crimson Devotion. Please, that's so sexy. I'm gonna press this in the outer corner. Oh, yeah. Just wing the shape out a little bit. Time is the most important product too that people don't consider. And the one thing that I hear the most is people saying like, well, I don't have time to do my makeup. No, you have time to do your makeup. You have 5 minutes to do your makeup. You have 10 minutes to do your makeup. So you have to know how to maximize your collection or your looks to fit that time frame. And I think what that truly starts with too is, and I talk about this all the time, benchmark brands, like product that you can rely on to get the job done. And again, the reason that this, like, you could be feeling this way as well, I'm just taking a wipe to clean up this outer edge, is because you're used to watching content, especially if you're more like TikTok vibes, right? Even YouTube. But like an eye tutorial is potentially a 20-minute eye look that's trimmed down to 2 minutes for short form content. So there's lots of things in those looks. I have this melt eyeliner in rich brown. I'm gonna use this for inside the eye. And I think I'm gonna do under here too. Oh, ooh, I'm gonna press Crimson Devotion over top. I'm gonna buff a little bit of Dust of Time. Oh yes, over top. Very good. And I think what happens too is when you guys are copying like a look from online, because it's not happening in your perceived amount of time, you start to doubt yourself, you start to feel a little bit more frustrated, and then you give up. And you give up sometimes before you're not even at the halfway point. Like if you just spent a little bit longer on the thing you were working on, like you could have got there. Like this even is the difference between a 2-minute eye and a 5-minute eye. So that applies to everything on the whole face. You can't expect to have this eye look in 2 minutes when it takes you 5, and it took more product to get this look. When you can match your routine to your time, every single one of your palettes will become usable. The Overwhelm is almost sometimes unnecessary because kind of like how I told you guys, you don't have to use every single color. You could use 1 color, you could use 2 colors, you could use 3 colors, like whatever the case may be. You don't have to be overwhelmed by the amount of shades that you're seeing. Really quickly before we keep going, if this concept of time has kind of like sparked your interest and you want to learn a little bit more about what could be going wrong in your makeup routine, or like you don't even know what's wrong, you don't know what you don't know, you can head over to my free school community. The link is in my description. It's totally free to join. It's guidance that's going to help make you navigate the beauty world a little bit better, and you'll be surrounded by like-minded people as well. So make sure you hit the link in my description to join. Let's take Golden Veil. So stunning. And I'm gonna pop this on. They do beautiful shimmers. Ooh, I'll show you what it looks like up close. See where I've blended over some of that? That's stunning. I kind of want to take this shade here called Moonlit Vow, toss that on my inside corner. Doesn't really make sense, but I like it. And then this is a Nikki LaRose N22, just for something different. And then let's actually take a smidge of that Crimson Devotion, and I'm just gonna bring the crease in a little bit. I think too, a lot of people assume that good makeup means it took long. That is absolutely not true. There is a version of your makeup routine, like your perfect makeup routine, that's 15 minutes, that's 20 minutes, that's half an hour, that's an hour and a half. And I'm saying this as somebody who has designed routines for people's lifestyles, meaning they had to fit into a certain amount of time, or I myself have not had time to do someone's makeup and I've had to bang out something in X amount of time. I'm just going back and forth and blending that first shade with the second shade. Now I kind of want to put this Twilight Waltz, which is actually more purpley. This. Oh. It went like greenish. Do you see that? That's very cool. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Throw on some mascara. I'm gonna do my skin and then we'll come back and do blush and lip. On my face, I put a little bit of Light Struck liquid highlighter in Double Gleam. I have a little bit of Studio Fix Tech. I opened up a brand new one. And I have House Labs concealer and the House Labs contour stick. I wear the shade Angle. I love this, but it's House Labs, it's a benchmark, so no surprise there. Ooh, both of those are very pretty. Buried Lover and Covenant. Ooh, I'm gonna take Covenant. I think it's gonna be more bronzer-esque. Is this my beloved Cubic Buff? Plum Foolery? Raisin? There was a purple one, I can't remember. Modern Mandarin. This is a Nikki LaRose N17. I'm gonna put this through my hairline. Oh, I really like this. Tenderling had pink in it. That's a beautiful color because there's enough like brown in it. Okay. I'm gonna flip to the other side of the brush. I'm gonna pick up the pink that's called Faint Memory. Ooh. Oh. It's very pretty. Oh, I love it. I love that. That's so stunning. So it's a matte blush, but the shine that you're seeing is from this. Making like an Into the Pink kind of vibe. Very beautiful. I'm gonna take the tip of the brush and I'm gonna go into Buried Letters. And I'm gonna contour with that. It's a little bit red, but that's okay. Very stunning, very beautiful, very here for this. I'm taking this shade called Ethereal Light. It's a chunky glitter. I don't recommend doing this, but I just want to because I'm here. Like this just sort of looks like glitter in real life. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Ma Beauty Translucent setting powder and I'm just gonna set my face. That's a beautiful cheek. Oh, there's Unearthly lipstick mousses as well. Take a peek at these. Before we get into the lip, if you finally want to elevate your makeup and stop struggling and going through the trial and error process of online tutorials, buying so much product, wasting your time, make sure that you join my free school community. The link is in my description so I can put you guys on the right track to understanding what's going wrong in your routines and how to fix it. Grave Bound. I hope that this is a little bit lighter. Withered Kiss. Ooh. This one's called Cadaver. Oh, okay. Well, it's a mousse, so it's gonna be like Powder Kiss. I'm gonna go in with Grave Bound first. And it has that banana. Oh, if you like, I'd say this is more moussey than Powder Kiss, but if you like this kind of ombre lip, this product, perfect. Okay. If you like full-blown lips, something like this is not for you because like they can only build up so much. And they truly are better as like a softer layer. These are also great as blush too. This is Still Heart. These are so very pretty. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh. Original Myth, Original Acting Natural, A Lighter Love You Back, Original Acting Natural. This almost look like Bronx. Oh, and let me show you what I'm obsessed with. This is Doom from Unearthly. Do Doom for definition. Yeah, oh geez. Man, that's stunning. I'm gonna take a smidge more of Gravebound. Just on the edges. Do you see that? Oh, good Lord. Very pleased with these products. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you tried these products out or what your favorite color was that I used. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss a post. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram so you don't miss out on any Miss Megan news. Make sure you hit the link in my description and join my free school community. If you're ready to elevate your makeup game, don't be late for school. And until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.